tutorial starts with a song, but it's only a few seconds long. Let's get started with animation. Hi folks, we're happy with 3D, but we of course need 2D, for example for texturing. And I just jump into this really nice circus where Procreate is one of the leading programs for mobile devices for painting in 2D. And since the version 5.2 of Procreate, which was released I think in November 2021, we can now paint on 3D objects. With the Apple Pencil, it's just marvelous. We create something in Maya, something very, very simple, like, this sort of house. It's very, very simple, and I just want to show you how this process works. Now, once we're ready, we export it as an OBJ file. That's important. You select export and the OBJ option, and then you save it. Then you need to somehow get it into your mobile device in order to load it into Procreate. And Procreate is happy to import it. It's you just have to locate it on your external drive, for example. And here we go. We have the exact same house in Procreate now, which is a 2D application which does 3D now. We tap once on this house and then we can start painting using all the tools we're used to from Procreate, which looks a little bit similar to Painter in the old days, and a little bit similar to Photoshop, but it's a mobile application. It's really nice. Here you see the German version, of course, because I'm in Germany and I'm from Germany. You see a little bit of distortion in the, at the top part here. This comes from the UV mapping. The UVs are crucial, and in my case with this really crude house, the UVs are not quite intact. They have problems around the chimney and around the roof. Now I export the object file, which I just textured, and I drag and drop it into my Maya folder for the scenes, and if you want, for the source images, and you just locate the texture. Actually, it comes in 3 textures for metallic and for roughness, but we only use the color here. It looks like this. And once it's there, it looks exactly like it looked in Procreate. Now you have these distortions on one side, and you can fix these things by fixing the UVs in Maya, but I'm not a fan of UV mapping. Somebody else has to do this. Well, this is basically all I wanted to tell you. Try it out, and happy days with 2D texturing in Procreate and the import and export into Maya. And apart from that, stay healthy and safe. Bye bye.